So very well, warm welcome to all of you for being here today, and I'm so happy we are 56 of us here who are interested to know more about intuitive tarot. Even though you are a practitioner or you are a participant or you're doing it on your own, you will still benefit from this session because what I'm going to teach you today is not an ordinary tarot but an intuitive tarot. Whenever you are doing the reading, the card has to be energized, which will be energized in the training program. You just can't buy the cards and start using it intuitively because it won't. When you're doing the intuitive card, no, वो pictures आपके mind में third eye में it should come up that what does that card means and understand. So what we do before the training, we hold the cards in the hand, we energize the card, we program the card, we request the card to work for us. So it has to be your personal card. You can't use anybody's card and do the reading. So be very careful if you're going through the training or if you have already done the training through somebody and you want to practice now. Keep that in mind that you need to energize your cards, you need to talk to your cards, and then you need to start doing the reading for other people. Tell people to use and connect to is the Rider Waite tarot cards. Now, the Rider Waite tarot cards creation is so beautifully colored that whenever you look at the picture, the intuition starts beginning to develop, even if you know a little bit of intuition. If little I guide you about intuition, how to tap into your powers, and then you start reading this card, it's like a cakewalk. So you don't have to memorize any cards. So for all those who have never seen this card, I'll be sharing some cards with you. So this is the Rider Waite tarot cards, which are beautiful cards. So the first section, what I'm trying to show you here is the major arcana, which are 22 cards. These are the major arcana. So here the numbers are there, plus the write-up is here. The Fool card, it says, is it visible? Yeah, the Magician, the High Priestess. So these cards are there, which are major arcana in your life. So this plays a major destiny role in your life. Right now, I'm going to show you how to see. This is like a journey. When you attend the intuitive tarot training, you will see it as a journey. The journey to understand where your soul is at this particular time. Like a journey starts, it's not that when you are born, you will be born as a fool with all the belongings and God is giving you everything what you need to enjoy in this physical world. No. Possibility is there, you are at this level. Wheel of Fortune, possibility is there, you are at this level. Possibility is there, you are at this level. So this 22 cards is a journey and each person are on a different journey, on a different route. Especially those who are already a healer would know it very distinctly that this is not their first life as a healer. Probably many past life they have gone through this learning and today that's the reason you were able to pick up so quickly. So are you ready with your journal and the pen ready? Is everybody ready with the journal and the pen to see the destiny card? What is your journey today, present today? Yeah. So take out your journal and write your date of birth followed by the month. So if it is August, you will write down 08. If it is November, you will write down accordingly. After the month, write down your complete year. Like it is 1967, you will write down 1967. Or whatever it is, like 1962, 1958, but write down complete 91958 or whatever, the complete number. Okay, now what you need to do if your the date of birth falls in 2 digit, like if it is mine is 31st, so I will add 3 plus 1, 4. Write down 4 below that. If your month is 08, then you will write only 8. But if your birth number, the month is November, you will write 11. So 1 and 1 is 2. So you'll write down 2 below that. You're coming down to 1 digit each. The birth date will come in 1 digit. The month will come in 1 digit. Now going to the last part, the year. For me, it is 1967. So I will add 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7. So calculate yours. And then again come down to, probably you'll get 2 digit first, then come down to single digit. Like go down and come down to single digit. Now add all the single, that means we have got 3 single digit now. Add all this 3 single digit and tell me what is the last digit what you have received. If it is again 2 digit, come down to still one digit.
Mine is 8.
It's
What's
9.
that? One second. So for Saroja, when the number is 2, in this lifetime, she is born as a high priestess. And a high priestess is somebody who is born with the intuitive power. You can see the crown on her head, the crescent moon below her feet. Correct? So she is born with this intuitive power in this present birth. Okay?
Ma'am,
Now coming
Genal
to
4.
Genal 4.
Genal 4.
Perfect.
Mine
Genal,
is also
your
4,
number,
ma'am.
yeah. So everybody who is number 4, you are born as an emperor. Number 4 is an emperor, and I'm sure you will resonate with it when I say that your personality is my rule, my command. You are too dominating personality, whether it's your relationship,
True.
whether it's your workplace.
Guinea 1.
No, is it
True,
right,
true.
Pulse? Is it resonating?
Number
Yeah.
3.
So, are you able to see this card now?
Yes, ma'am.
How many are there with number 1?
Me,
Hi.
Ujali Mehta.
Me.
Yes,
Guinea
so all
Sethi.
those who are born with this number 1 in this lifetime, you are born with all the elements which can make you successful. So if you are not yet successful, you are underplaying. You're underplaying yourself, and that's the reason you're not successful, because God has made you, given you all the element. If you see this card, this person has an infinity symbol on the head. That means he's divinely guided. He has a wand in his hand, which is there for career growth. There is a cup which is there, which is also showing emotionally the person is stable. The money is there lying. The pentacle, if you see here, the pentacle, so a lot of money is there, and sword is there, which indicates the thoughts. So this person, if the person is not doing well in this present life, and the core card is saying magician, that means the person is not productive enough to utilize all his powers. But with a little effort, this person can create miracles in the life. Now, this personality is a person with a lot of compassion. They would always shower like a motherly love to everyone they meet, no matter what their age or what their concept. But they are too overly motherhood with lots of compassion, giving personality, caring personality, loving personality, and a very balanced personality to a certain extent. Now, this person, if you have been manipulated by others because of your over compassion, somewhere you need to understand that you don't know how to create boundaries around you. So for people who are good, compassionate, loving, it's a beautiful thing to go around with. But at the same time, if your solar plexus, that means your intuition, gut feeling is very strong, you would also be a feeler. Now, what would happen if you're a feeler? You will tend to absorb other people's negativity, other people's pain as your own. Your personality, you need to work on your solar plexus, create proper boundaries, learn to say no, because this person can't say no very easily. So how many had 10 as well as number 1? Because 10, if you total it up, it will come to number 1. So you have 2 destiny cards. Now what does this indicate? That either you will, if you're using your powers, you will be a magician. But if you're not using your powers, you will go through ups and downs like this wheel. And this says that your life will be a little topsy-turvy, not going in an order until and unless you start activating your these powers. Clear? So all those, if you're suffering here, please activate your powers with your intuition skills. Clear? The cup cards from again 1 to 10. Cups indicates water element. It is to do with your emotions. Your emotions are flowing in, and whenever you think about water, it is always a flow. So it also talks a lot about your forgiveness, your spiritual powers overflowing. So if you're forgiving people, you are automatically becoming spiritual and becoming more enlightened. So which is directly related to money, abundance, growth, success in the life. So again, this is from 1 to 10. Right? Each card has a different meaning. So based on the card and based on the picture, you will be able to remember all the details when we do this intuitive tarot training, and where you don't even have to remember the keywords. So anybody who have paid are willing to get the reading about what reading they want, and I'll keep on shuffling the card.
Anything about what I need to do right now?
Okay, is this a good question? See, when
Uh,
people come to you and say, do read anything about me, no, don't do a reading, because
Okay.
this kind of general reading, अब सोचो ना, आप होटल में जाके बोलो कि मुझे कुछ भी खाना दे दो, what will he give you? Anything. Probably then you will not like it. So always be specific when you, because see, this is a spiritual tool and a very valuable tool. So you need to ask specific question कि मुझे ये मेरी लाइफ में ये चीज के बारे में जानना है. So then the card will guide you accordingly. Yes, Brahma ji.
Yes. Then, what course should I follow to get over my physical issues? A
Okay,
lot
health.
of physical
Health.
health
Perfect.
issues.
Perfect. Health issues. It's a good question. So this when you're asking the angels, first will say, show me something more about Brahmaji's health. Give us some more guidance and some understanding about what's happening with Brahmaji's health. Once the health card comes up and we know if it is positive, you don't need to go further. But in case if a negative card comes in, we can ask the tarot again that give me an action plan, what Brahmaji needs to take in order to get rid of his health issue. So first we'll blankly ask angels because we don't know what is the health issue. So we'll just say, give me some more guidance about the health of Brahmaji. And I'm shuffling the card, and with Brahmaji's intention in my hand, I'm shuffling the card. And again, thinking about Brahmaji, I will bring that image into my mind that the question is something more about Brahmaji's health. We need to know something more about Brahmaji's health. Connect to your third energy, like when you are using your intuition, connect. This is the psychic receptive area for the third eye vision. This is the psychic receptive area for the crown chakra. So focus here, bring your awareness to your crown chakra and bring your awareness to your third eye chakra. You have already shuffled the card. First, see intuitively what the message, if any, is coming intuitively. Okay, intuitively, one message which has come to me is it's only his fear about the health which is a concern to him, but not major issue, anything I'm seeing in his life. But let's see now what the card has to say. So for the 3-card reading, I'll just pull out 3 cards. The first card would be past, second card would be present, and the third card would be future card. So keeping again Brahmaji's name, we are picking up 3 cards. So the first card, the second card, and the third card. Okay. Now all these 3 cards are still upside down. Once all the 3 cards are done, I will pull out one card and straighten it up. So this card is the first card, the past card, which is a hangman. The present card is the justice, and the third is, will come here, sword. Now the reading for Brahmaji is, he needs to look at life and health from a different perspective. The fear, this is again representing what I said intuitively, the fear of, he's operating out of fear. So now he needs to change his perspective, that he needs to focus upon what is good about me in my life, what is good about my health now. हो सकता है ठीक है, yes, I have a difficult back, but that is one area of my life. But what are the good things? I'm able to still walk, I'm able to run, I'm able to sit in the Vajrasana. So you need to have a different perspective when you're thinking about the health, Brahmaji. The second card, the present card, says that nothing go wrong because life is justice. But yes, if you have abused your body in any way, you will have to pay the, जो बोया है वही पाओगे. तो अगर आपने अभी तक अगर अपनी लाइफ में फिजिकल लाइफ को अब्यूज किया है तो इट विल बी जस्टिस, बट यू हैव ऑलवेज लव्ड योरसेल्फ एंड यू हैव ऑलवेज टेकन केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. एंड दिस कार्ड इज द फ्यूचर कार्ड. यू नीड टू, अगर आपने अगर समझो इसमें अब्यूज किया भी है बाय मिस्टेक, लाइक आई हैव अब्यूज्ड माई सेल्फ बिग टाइम. I used to hate walking, I used to hate playing, I have never had enough water in my life, I have never had nutritious food in my life. So obviously the body is going to give up. But every saint has a past and every sinner a future. हमने गलती की है तो उसका मतलब ये थोड़ी हमको भोगना है. This card is saying at least now be firm what you will allow, what you will tolerate in your life and what you will not tolerate. So be your own emperor now. Anything specific you want to ask? See, I don't know what is the health you are suffering. So अगर आपको specific अगर कोई बीमारी है उसके बारे में जानना है तो that also we can take out 2 cards, present and future.
there were two reasons for it. I have been having some kind of a stiffening of one of the shoulders, which is very painful and it's not going. It has been there for the last 3-4 months now.
Okay.
And the other issue was that about a year ago, I was found to be having low platelet count.
Okay.
And sometimes it can be an indicative of blood cancer. So there are no other symptoms like that, but the blood counters has not improved.
Okay.
So there was this kind of a question mark in my mind, at the back of my mind. Is there something really serious brewing inside, which I don't know? That is why I had asked.
Okay. Two answers. The moment you were saying, I already got the glimpse of what I need to answer at the intuitive level. Frozen shoulder, you need to seek a therapist immediately. Have you abused your body in any way in the past? No exercise, no working out.
Yes, it has.
So that's the reason the shoulder is there, but you need to seek a yoga teacher and immediately get on the thing. If not yoga teacher, even a physiotherapist would be enough for you to start off. Okay. About the low palatal count and the cancer ka future, do not worry because the justice card has come in and you have not abused so much of your body that you deserve a cancer. But yes, I'll still take out the card for you. But first, let me give you my intuitive reading and then we'll take out the card. Though the reports show something, science, I don't disagree with the science. I don't say science is bad, but I would say don't accept it 100%. You need to check with your body, is there any other symptoms which is creating havoc in your life rather than the reports? And coming back to Brahmaji's question, we will just take out whatever his fear about. See, can you resonate now? The first intuition was fear. Yeah. And when you are listening second time, Brahmaji, the fear is showing up where the fear is coming from.
Yes.
Correct. So now let us check. So that means my intuition is also correct, huh, Brahmaji? It's validating my answers now. Okay, then we'll just focus upon low palatal count now, which could lead to cancer. This fear is then Brahmaji. Give us some more guidance. What is the real scenario as per the spiritual world? And I'll just take out 2 cards. Awesome. The first card is this. Now, what is this? This is the Queen of Wands. So it's a court card. The court card is a personality. Now, this personality is somebody who is like a king or a queen, very confident in other areas of the life. लेकिन अगर बिल्ली ने रास्ता काट लिया तो उनको टेंशन हो जाएगी. Though the person is very smart, very confident, full of self-esteem and top of the world, लेकिन अगर कुछ बात उनके दिमाग में घुस गई है वो जल्दी से निकलती नहीं है. Yes, ब्रह्मा जी, this is your first card. कि आपके माइंड में किसी ने ये पैलेटल का बोल दिया, आपके माइंड में ये घुस गया. So this is just a small cat. Can it impact this big queen?
No.
And look at the eyes of the queen. Where the queen is looking at? Is she looking at the cat?
No, that I cannot make out from here.
I'll send you this card. देखो, तो नजदीक से दिख रहा है कुछ? उसके आंखें कहाँ हैं? बिल्ली की तरफ है या?
Looking elsewhere.
Outside. So change your vision. अगर आप बिल्ली की तरफ देखते रहोगे डरते हुए तो वो आएगी. अगर आप डर कर काउंट का सोचते हो, कैंसर को इनवाइट करते हो, कैंसर आएगा. लेकिन अगर आप उसको नजरअंदाज करते हो, यू आर नॉट इवन लुकिंग एट दैट कार्ड, लुकिंग एट दैट कैट, स्मॉल कैट, and look somewhere else, it is not going to come. And second card is this card, the 6 of Wands. You are going to be successful, you are going to be famous, you are going to be victorious, and which you are already doing it now. Shows that you are on your right passion. Now start making money if you are comfortable with your passion, because this is a Wand card again. Okay? So probably this spirituality can yield you a lot of money also. There should be a fire for making some more money. Though you are retired and you have enough money to take care of your family and yourself, but अगर additional resources आती है तो वो पैसे से आप किसी का भला भी कर सकते हो ना. So even if you don't want to use money earned, you can always use it for a higher cause. Okay, so health is getting better with the fire in your belly. So if you work with that fire, you are going to be a robust health. Okay. So is the fear gone now?
Yeah.
Feeling happy completely 101%?
Yes, and it really actually it validates what I have been experiencing all these days. last
Beautiful.
months. What I have been.
Be specific, Zahid. What exactly you
Ma'am,
want to
I want to know specifically about my personal life.
know? Okay. What about your
मतलब
personal life?
married life है क्या है?
Okay.
Because I'm stuck up over there.
Okay. Okay. So we'll see what is happening in your relationship with your spouse.
Yes.
So this is a 3-card reading for Zahid to understand what is happening in his relationship with his spouse. Understanding about what is happening in the relationship area for Zahid. So we have shuffled the card again. Since I know him in and out, I'm not getting the intuitive message. I don't want to get the intuitive messages, so directly I'm picking out the card. See, जहाँ पे जब आप emotionally किसी के साथ में connect होते हो, at times the intuition would color your mind. कि वो फिर आपके logic से आ रहा है या आपके intuition से आ रहा है. There is a very thin line between them. ठीक है. So here I'm not using my intuition specifically because I know Zahid in and out. I know about his relationship and what is going on. So directly I'm pulling out the 3 cards and seeing what the tarot has to guide today. ठीक है. Zahid, the relationship with his spouse. So 1 card. So the first card, Zahid, for the relationship, you need to seek a counselor where both of you are going together. Conciliation would work out better for you. A proper professional conciliator. And for the group, I am also a professional conciliator. If you are seeking a solution for your relationship, I do a very good conciliation, not the counseling. In conciliation, what I have done from an international training program about the conciliation, where we make both the husband and the wife sit together. They vent out their grievances in front of both of them, and the conciliator listens to both of them and try to bring in a win-win situation. The second card is, since it is your reading, you are too much into fantasy world कि वाइफ ऐसी होनी चाहिए, like dream world में ज्यादा रहते हो. जो ट्रूथ रियलिटी को जो टच करना है वो आप नहीं कर रहे हो. यू आर टू मच इनटू फैंटेसी वर्ल्ड विच इज नॉट हेल्पिंग टू ब्रिंग अबाउट अ रिलेशनशिप. अगर फैंटेसी में आप सोचते हो कि आपकी वाइफ टोटली चेंज हो जाएगी तो मैं उसको एक्सेप्ट करूंगा, वो मेरी सारी बातें मानेंगी तो मैं उसको एक्सेप्ट करूंगा, नो, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. You have to touch upon your reality. If you want somebody, like I had told you this earlier also, that if you are not taking care of your health and you want your wife to be beautiful, you want her to be a princess, so first you become a prince, right?
Yes.
So this you have to work upon yourself also. I still don't know the third card, and the third card is, yes, there is hope in this marriage. The star card has come in. भले अंधेरी रात है लेकिन अंधेरे टनल के बाद में भी रोशनी आती है, and everything can go back to normal if you really wish to make it that happen. But do one card only when you are intuitively very strong. क्योंकि वरना आपको मिसगाइडेंस हो सकती है. अगर समझो इंट्यूटिवली आप स्ट्रांग नहीं हो, आपने 1 कार्ड रीडिंग किया, उसमें डेविल कार्ड आया या टावर कार्ड आया, तो शायद आप डर जाओगे विदाउट रियलाइजिंग व्हाट इज द ब्रिलियंस बिहाइंड दिस टावर और द डेविल कार्ड. So even in the training, I used to say that don't go for 1 card reading. That time when you all had done the training, I had very clearly told you all this. क्यों 1 कार्ड नहीं करना है? क्योंकि अगर आप इंट्यूटिवली स्ट्रांग नहीं हो तो वो 1 कार्ड देख के डर जाओगे. लेकिन अगर आप इंट्यूटिवली स्ट्रांग हो तो अगर वो टावर कार्ड आया या डेथ कार्ड आया तभी आप डरोगे नहीं. यू विल नो कि इसके पीछे कुछ ना कुछ ब्रिलियंस छुपी हुई है. ठीक है. राइट नाउ आई एम शफलिंग द मेजर अर्कानास टू सी विच कार्ड यूनिवर्स इज आस्किंग अस टू मेडिटेट अपॉन टुडे. ठीक है. Which card is this? Wow. Many people had the Justice card, and that card has come up for the meditation. Can you all see this? Everybody seen this card? Because they are going to meditate on this card, Justice card. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes. So I am muting everybody. This meditation would be for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever. I don't know what I'm going to say in the meditation. Whatever I'm being guided intuitively, will do this meditation. Okay? So you can close your eyes. Yeah. Anybody would like to share your experience of the meditation?
Thank you so much.
It was beautiful.
You're all
Ma'am, it was
meditation.
beautiful.
Yeah. I think there is no word to thank you. Just divine gratitude for being here with you all and having your presence felt. It was already, a meditation itself. Thank you for being so beautiful channel of divine. Thank you.
Most welcome, Nirja. Most welcome. Yeah. Anybody else?
Thank you, Laila, as usual.
Welcome,
As
Rosina.
usual.
Thank you for coming
As
in.
usual.
Thank you
Guru
for
Ma'am.
coming in.
Cloud over my head, and then it like bursted suddenly, and
Awesome.
I felt like I had a beautiful bath, and feeling refreshed and light and nice.
Excellent. This can be interpreted. Yeah, this can be interpreted. The cloud in a metaphorical word, it says that there was some dark clouds up there, though you had seen a white cloud. But generally, the clouds are like when you want to, if you want to see the rainbow, you need to go through the thunder and the rains. Correct? So similarly, you have gone through your thunder and the rains, and now the God is washing you over completely,
Wow.
and soon you're going to see the rainbow in your life.
Wow, thank you so much. I felt like crying a lot. In the beginning, I was like, felt like literally crying so much. But then after that cloud shower, it was like all fine.
Excellent,
Nice.
excellent. Yeah, somebody wanted to speak?
Yeah, I want to say something.
Can hear you.
मैंने फ्लेम देखा एक लाइट का, और जब आपने बोला ना कि वो ऊपर, तो वो जैसे मेरे साथ साथ ऊपर जा रहा था और फिर वो वाइट होके निकल गया जैसे.
Excellent, excellent. So flame of light, sometimes it could be there is some anger you're holding on to that is being released now.
Okay.
If it is a golden ball, it's a ball of enlightenment, but it turns up in the form of a flame. That means कुछ जो अंदर एंगर है, जो आपको जलन हो रही है किसी से, या जेलसी है, या एंगर है, या रिसेंटमेंट है, वो निकल जा रहा है. It's moving out of your life.
Okay, good.
Though I know most of you want to talk and share, but I don't think so. The time would help us because we are already 4 hours of this session. We can't go further.
Can I please?
Leila ji,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
from
Bola.
Bahrain. No, because I was busy. I was going through your this tarot reading session, but I was in other places. I was driving also, and throughout the place, I
Okay.
was like listening
With
to
your
it.
commitment,
So I didn't want to.
I'm happy with your commitment that though you were busy, you still maintained the connections with the class.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Most
That's why I
welcome.
sent you a message also that I would like to attend this intuitive training
Sure.
that you have. And
Sure.
I've written to you in your WhatsApp. And one thing regarding this meditation, I went through it, but I don't know why meditation makes me sleep every time. Why is it
That's
so?
okay. At times, the body resistance is so much that the consciousness mind knocks down. So it's not the sleep, but you're going out of the body experience when you're meditating. So the moment the meditation is over, and I
there is
say,
something
open your
happening.
mind whenever you're ready, open your eyes when you're ready, automatically you wake up. So if you were sleeping, how could you listen to my voice? So that's not an issue. The body
Exactly.
is resisting
I go
the body.
somewhere.
It's an out of body experience. It's done. So bye bye to all of you. Lots of love. Enjoy your life and
Bye-bye.
stay connected and stay tuned. Love you all.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.